Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 470 Star Drop opening, and this one should be pretty exciting because I believe we have a free Hypercharge in the shop for reaching the milestone during this event. So let's see what we have.
Super rare.
Starting with a super rare of 100 coins,
Epic.
enter an epic, 200 coins,
Super rare.
and super rare of 200 XP doublers, not too shabby. So if I just pull up the news tab here really quick, as you can see, we've met the milestone, the second one for the Hypercharge during the Dead Game event, so that should be in the shop to claim now. But in the event selection as of today, we have Payload, Transfer of Troubles, and Zombie Plunder Zipline. Again, I haven't really been paying attention to if the map that stays, the mode that stays in switches to a different map. I think it does, but I haven't really been looking too closely at that. We also have Brawl Ball 5v5, Suspenders. I don't think I've played this map, or if I have, it was only once. Yeah, I don't play too many 5v5 modes. But, again, we also have the Gruesome Gust Challenge starting tomorrow, but remember, we have 160 hours to complete it, so don't feel rushed at any point. In fact, you probably want to wait till the tryhards do it the first day, just so you have a better chance if you actually care about getting the skin at the end. Otherwise, just go for it, I guess. But there's also plenty of free star drops you can get from the challenge, so I'll probably just try and see whatever time is convenient to do that. Let's see what we have going on in the shop. Let's claim the Dead Game Hypercharge. Let's see what I get. Alright, so I don't really have any particular preference here, so apparently I got Terra's Supermassive Hypercharge. Is that just another one of those dank ones where it essentially just makes the super bigger, if I'm not mistaken? I don't even remember what Terra's Hypercharge does. Let me just pull it up here. Does it even say? Oh, gravity has 20% larger air, so it literally just makes the super bigger. But again, I suppose that is quite useful. But it's nothing too flashy. Again, can't complain about a free Hypercharge, so that's pretty neat. But we still have Brother Bo and White Wolf Leon in the shop. We also have Cuckoo Colette, Decaying Dynamite for about a day more. But again, we have a fair chance of getting them out of the dead boxes anyway if you don't purchase them now. We've got a lot of resource offers here, and I'm not particularly interested in getting any of them, but they are here. I have a daily free of 60 XP doublers as well as 10 power points. But again, let me know if you guys are excited for the Gruesome Gust Challenge tomorrow, or if you got, if it depends on if you even have your brawlers at level 11, if you can even use the Hypercharge. But let me know if you guys got one that you would prefer to get out of the available Hypercharges right now, or if you got one that you don't care that much for. But again, you really can't complain too much for a free Hypercharge, I don't think so. Anyway, as of today, I have 260 XP doublers and 98,071 power points. So, other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.